And as we are speaking, Alejandro Garnacho started training. Now Garnacho is in Cobham, and in fact, I can't believe this. Immediately I saw Garnacho in Chelsea training kick. Charlie, it is like that kick. That kick, our shirt is befitting Garnacho. Our shirt, see, Garnacho look more beautiful in our shirt. Hey, everything about Manchester United is disaster. See, when Garnacho entered into our black training kit, come and see Garnacho. Come and see his training section. He was shooting, scoring goals here and there, left, right, and center. Dribble, left, right, and center. See, our gym room, Garnacho was lifting balls 50 kilometers, 100 kilometers. See, Chelsea, the premises around Chelsea. See, even if you can't play football, even if you can't walk, and you go to Chelsea training ground, come hand, automatically you start walking. Automatically you are going to play good football. You are going to perform. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. As far as the transfer window closed, we went to rest more because, in fact, we were having a busy transfer window. Chelsea had a busy transfer window. We signed a lot of players, and Chelsea sell a lot of players. If we sell, we sign. If we sign, we sell to balance the books. By the way, guys, our Chelsea FC can confirm our squad for the league phase of the UEFA Champions League from Chelsea official website. Now, the squad has been revealed. Now, the squad has been confirmed. And all the new signings has been registered, except Facundo, the loan player, the player Chelsea signed from loan this window. Facundo Bonananotti from Brighton. Apart from him, all the new signings has been registered. Alejandro Garnacho, the man himself, and Heto, Gittins, Ja Pedro, Liam Delap, everybody except, as I said, Facundo Bonananotti or Bonananotti. So guys, let's look at our squad small. Our Champions League squad, the names, and see whether we have a strong squad going to the league phase, because Charlie, especially Barcelona, we have to beat them, whether they like it or not. So we have to prepare. We have to go with good squad, ready players. Yes, players who are on form. I want Barcelona. I want Yamal. I want Cucurella to end Yamal. I keep on saying it here. Cucurella is going to end Yamal career this season. I'm telling you. Guys, let's look at our list. Chelsea is going to the Champions League phase with 3 goalkeepers. Goalkeepers, Robert Sanchez, Philip Jorgensen. No, 2 goalkeepers, sorry. Yes, Robert Sanchez and Philip Jorgensen. Defenders, the best defender, Tosin Adarabio, Bernard Badiashile, Trova Choloba, Livakowi, Marco Cucurella, Wesley Fofana, Malo Gusto, Joao Heto, a new signing, and Reece James, Captain Reece James, the best right back in the world. And midfielders, Moses Caicedo, the conqueror, the midfield general. Yes, the pocketer, Moses Caicedo, and the man who is coming under him, learning from Caicedo, Dario Esugo, Enzo Fernandez, Andrew Santos, and our forward, Liam Delap, Alejandro Garnacho, Jamie Gittins, McGill, Pedro Neto, Cole Palmer himself, the soon-to-be a Ballon d'Or winner, the potential Ballon d'Or winner, and Ja Pedro, the efficiency Ja Pedro, of course, the clinical Ja Pedro, and the talented Estevao Williams. Estevao Williams is also registered, of course. And the B list, Jose Achampong, Track George, and Romeo Lavia. Yes. So guys, these are the names registered for our Champions League phase. And then after the league phase, if Chelsea qualify and we are qualifying, if we qualify, then they have another opportunity to register 3 new players. Yes, I think that is the rule. Another opportunity to register more players or 3 more players. So this is not the final players who are going to play this Champions League till the final. No. Because we are reaching final. This season Champions League, we are winning all day. So guys, that is the list for Chelsea Champions League for the group phase. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Do you think we are going into this Champions League phase with a strong group because if I can remember well, we have Bayern Munich to play, we have Barcelona to play, we have Benfica to play, we have Ajax to play. I'm calling from my head. I want to see the list. Yes, if I can remember well. I think Napoli is also there. And the last time Chelsea played all these kind of teams, Barcelona, Napoli, Benfica, in the UEFA Champions League, that year we won it. Can you believe this? The last time we played Napoli, Benfica, Barcelona at the same time in a UEFA Champions League, that season Chelsea won it. And this season, that means that it is coming. So guys, that is the list for our Champions League phase, just to give you this information. And as we are speaking, Alejandro Garnacho started training. Now Garnacho is in Cobham, and in fact, I can't believe this. Immediately I saw Garnacho in Chelsea training kick. Charlie, it is like that kick. That kick, our shirt is befitting Garnacho. Our shirt, see, Garnacho look more beautiful in our shirt. Hey, everything about Manchester United is disaster. See, when Garnacho entered into our black training kit, come and see Garnacho. Come and see his training section. He was shooting, scoring goals here and there, left, right, and center. Dribble, left, right, and center. See, our gym room, Garnacho was lifting balls 50 kilometers, 100 kilos. See, Chelsea, the premises around Chelsea. See, even if you can't play football, even if you can't walk, and you go to Chelsea training ground, come hand, automatically you start walking. Automatically you are going to play good football. You are going to perform. We haven't seen Garnacho kicking a ball, official or professional ball for Chelsea. But so far, what we saw in training ground, Charlie, Garnacho indeed, he can win as the Ballon d'Or. In the future, guys, I'm seeing Garnacho bringing us the Ballon d'Or. We are wishing Garnacho all the best. Yes. So, guys, Garnacho started training and he will wear the number 49 shirt. Alejandro Garnacho will wear the number 49 shirt. Yes. Not bad, not bad. At least, as far as it is more than 30, we want at least 25 goals or 30 goals from Garnacho. Or more assists from Garnacho. We are on break and we are resting because we were having a long transfer window. Now, after 11 days or 12 days, they will return. So, our international game reviews and previews will be coming on this channel about the World Cup qualifiers. Black Stars, we are going to play against Chad on 6th of this month. And then 8th of this month, Accra, yes, against Mali, our home. Then the Chad one will be away. So our preview of that game is coming on this channel. And after those games, those two games, yes, our reviews will be coming. So please stay tuned to Football Lions. Tell another football fan about this channel. And tell more Chelsea fans about this channel. Share this video to your friends and family, yes, who love football, who love Chelsea, yes, to subscribe to the channel and continue watching. And please, we gave you another video on this channel. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. Take care, peace.